channel, and if you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Danya and I make lifestyle, travel, and fashion videos on here. So if that is something that's your cup of tea, then I hope that you guys will stick around. I am super excited for today's video as I am finally filming a apartment tour of my place in downtown Toronto. This is such a long time coming video. I don't know why it took me so long to film this video, probably because my place was always so messy. Because you know, I'm always rearranging and shooting, but anyway, as they say, better late than never, and I'm finally filming this video and I'm so proud of myself for doing that. And I'm also super excited to share my place with you guys. So my condo is a 1-bedroom plus 10 apartment, and it's 560 square foot plus a 100 square foot balcony. And I actually bought this condo almost 2 years ago. Which, wow, that's just crazy to me. It's been 2 years already. I still remember the day that I picked up the keys to my apartment. I've had so many amazing memories here, and also some bad ones. The biggest one being that when I bought this place, it was advertised as being unobstructed views, and that was something that was very important to me. I wanted a place with a really nice city view, so I actually sacrificed space for the view. And guess what ended up happening, guys? Just imagine the worst possible thing that could happen happened to me. My view ended up being obstructed. It was terrible. I was so sad, and the worst thing is that it's literally borderline obstructed. I can see the end of the building from my place. So yeah, the award for the person with the worst luck goes to me, but anyway, I guess that's just life and how it goes. Things could be worse, so I am very grateful and thankful, obviously, for at least having my own place that I call my home. Before we jump ahead into the apartment tour, I wanted to let you guys know that I actually have my place up on Airbnb, and I did that because I was traveling so much that I was like, okay, why don't I just put my place up on Airbnb and make that extra income that's gonna support me when I'm not here. So what I ended up doing was moving all of my personal stuff back to my parents' place, and I did that because I do not trust people with my personal stuff at all, and I just felt more comfortable doing that. So in my condo right now, obviously you have the furniture and some basic decor pieces, but I didn't end up decorating it like very heavily. So I am gonna obviously show you guys everything, but I wanted you to keep in mind that this is my apartment slash Airbnb, I guess. So there's not like a lot of crazy expensive stuff that I put in here. So I definitely recommend, if you guys have your own apartment and are looking to make extra cash and you have someone living nearby, so like your parents or relatives living nearby, it's a great way to make extra income. If you do want to hear more about that, actually let me know and I'll be happy to do like a video on the process of how I started doing Airbnb and how much I make and all of that good stuff. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy my cute little apartment tour, and if you did, then don't forget to smash that like button, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified about my future videos. And without further ado, let's get into the apartment tour. All right, so I just came outside my apartment because I wanted to give you guys a proper tour. So I'm gonna go back inside now. This is the entrance to my apartment. So I'm gonna just quickly close the door behind me right now. So as you enter, you've got this little hallway here, and this is a carpet that I stole from my parents' place. I just kind of put it here so when guests, you know, walk in, they don't ruin the floor or anything. And then to my right is the washroom. And so this is what the washroom looks like. You've got your sink here, and then over here is a cabinet for storage, and then you've got your toilet here, your bathtub here, and then I got this bath mat from Urban Outfitters Home, which I thought was so cute because obviously you're gonna get naked in the washroom. And then we also have a cabinet here, and I just have kind of like my skincare and beauty products in here right now. But yeah, so this is the washroom situation. gonna go back so you guys can see. And yeah. So then on my left side, we've got a den. If you guys have never heard of a den before, it's basically kind of like a little sectioning off or a nook. So it's not like a separate room, but it's just like a little sectioning off. As you can see, it's, you know, sectioned off from everything else. So usually the purpose of a den is to have a little study area or an office, or sometimes I've even seen people put like beds for their guests if the den is big enough. But for me, I kind of had it converted into this shoe closet area. Obviously for me, this is empty because, as I mentioned, I moved everything out of my condo because of Airbnb. But yeah, and then over here, you have this closet. So in the first one over here, this is for the washer and dryer, and then just like, you know, storage purposes. And then the one here is more closet space. So, you know, you can add like your winter coats and stuff like that. For me, I've just put stuff that won't fit anywhere. So my vacuum and just random stuff, because as I mentioned, I took everything out. But yeah, this is like more storage if you obviously live here. So now we're gonna move into the kitchen and living room area. First up, we have the kitchen here. So this is my dining area, and then on the right is the kitchen, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna go into detail with everything over here. So obviously on the kitchen counter, I have this water bottle. This is this timestamp water bottle that I got from Amazon. Honestly, I struggle so much with drinking water. I'm so bad with keeping myself hydrated. This has really helped me in making sure that I'm drinking 64 ounces of water every day. So if you guys are like me and struggle with, you know, drinking water, I definitely recommend that. And then here I have this marble platter. I think I got this from HomeSense, and these coasters are also from HomeSense. And I just have like, you know, my fruits are usually like bananas, bread is all here. Then I have my Keurig, a coffee maker. And then moving on, I have my blender, which is from Pink Kitchen. And then I have a paper towel roll, my knife set, which is from Remy Olivier. I think that's how you say it. And then a toaster, some utensils. I got this from Dollarama and I just thought it was so cute. And then you have the sink over here. Then on the top is the cabinet where I have stored all of my plates, bowls, and coffee mugs and glasses. So this is what it looks like. Sorry for the noise. I tried to have like variety. The pink and blue plates are from IKEA. The bowls right over here are from HomeSense. And then the white plates are from Stokes. And the top shelf wine glasses are from everywhere in the world. So we're not gonna go over that right now. And then the cabinet over there just has some random stuff, so I'm not gonna go into that either. And then down here, we have a cabinet where I have my trash bin, and then obviously detergents and supplies to clean and all of that fun stuff. This over here is the dishwasher. This is the stove, and then these are obviously for cutlery, and the pans are all in this one right here. And then this one just has some really random stuff that I probably should take out and move it back or something. Then to the right, I have my fridge, and then we've got a freezer. On the top is just a storage cabinet. Then on my fridge, I just stuck these kind of like monthly timetable calendars, I guess you can call them. And these are from Staples, and what I love is that you can, you know, just write down all the things that you have to do for the entire month, and it just really helps you stay organized. So I love that. Then moving on, I have my dining table over here. So this is what it looks like. And I got my dining table from Structube. I love the marble, and then it just has a silver stand. And then the chairs are kind of like a light gray tufted fabric, and I absolutely love them. If you're looking for like modern chairs, I got these from Wayfair, and these go super well with the dining table. Then moving on, we have the living room over here. I'm gonna show you guys this side over here first. This is what it looks like. And then this is what the other side looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys this side of the room first. So this is my wall gallery. I absolutely love it. All of the posters are from this brand called Desenio, and I got the frames from IKEA. On the left, I have this quote that I really resonate with and I love, and then Italy is my favorite country in the world, so I have these two photos from there. And then to the right, I have this random geometric pattern, and then at the bottom, I have this boss lady one, which I thought worked pretty well with the whole gallery. So next up, my couch. So I actually got this custom made from this local store in Mississauga, Ontario. And I believe it was called Friends Furniture. At the time, I was really into the whole tufted modern look, so that's why I got this couch. And it also has these silver studs on the side, which I really liked. It came with these two side cushions, and then the blue cushions I got from HomeSense, and I just felt like they really go with the whole silver blue pink theme that I have going on. Then my coffee table is from Wayfair. And then over here, I just have this gold tray that I got from Amazon. The white vase is from IKEA, and then this candle holder is from HomeSense, and this frame is also from HomeSense. And then I just have some books over here. So the Chanel book with the magazine, and then this Gucci lookbook. And my carpet is nothing special. This is so old. I don't even know where my mom got this from, but I just have this in here because I'm not living in here anymore. So it's just easy to not having to worry about guests ruining my carpet, but it also just kind of goes with the whole vibe, I felt like, so I just have it here as well. Then over here, I have this straw basket that I got from HomeSense, and then I have some blankets stuffed in here. And then these stools are from IKEA, and I just put these trays on here with some candles, and then this fake plant is from IKEA because obviously I couldn't have real plants in here because I won't be here to be a plant mom, so this had to do. And then on this side, I have a matching custom left seat that matches with my main couch, and then this sheepskin is from HomeSense, and then I have my TV over here. And then to the left, I have this pink chair stool, whatever it's called, and I got this from Structube. And then on it, I just have some more fake plants for decor purpose. But yeah, so now we're gonna move into the bedroom. And this is what it looks like. You have a sliding door, and then as you move in, over here is the closet, and then here is the dresser, and here is a mirror and just a stand. Now I'm gonna explain to you about this whole bed situation right here. I actually had the bed before in this direction, so being straight like this, but because I wanted more functional space, I ended up putting the bed like this, at least for now. But yeah, so the bed is from IKEA, and my bedding is the linen set from Parachute Home. These cushions are from HomeSense. And then I got this wall ledge also from IKEA, and all of the decor on there is also HomeSense. And then over here, I have this mirror that's from IKEA, this little marble stand that's from HomeSense, plants from HomeSense. My Alexa is just hiding there. And then I moved the dresser over here for now. And then on here, my dresser is from IKEA. I'm sure you guys have seen this one. And then I just have some books over here, and also my 5-minute journal that I journal in every day, a candle, and then this lamp. And I'm not really gonna show you guys what's in the closet because there's barely anything. As I mentioned, I moved out all of my stuff, so it's basically empty. But yeah, so this is the bedroom situation. I will most likely end up moving the bed back in this direction because even though it's not very functional, it is practical, and that's just gonna be better for the long term. But yeah, this is the place. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys is my balcony. I used to have such an amazing view, and you guys, I'm just so sad that it's gone, but I still have a little bit of a nice view. So, you know, this building, I hate it. I hate it so much. So this is what the view looks like. You do get to see a little bit of the CN Tower, which is something, I guess. But yeah, and then I just have this little patio set from IKEA on here. Yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for my apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little humble abode and that you got some inspiration for interior design or home decor. I am actually redecorating my place, and I'll be getting rid of a lot of the furniture that's in here and getting some new pieces. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys and what my place is gonna look like in a few weeks. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.